Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Refurb. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh and yak mash. So for a change, I thought we would do an Electrolux. This is the Electrolux 504. I have had this machine for ages. It's one of the first machines that I bought when I started the channel. And the front panel was missing off it. So I temporarily, for 2.5 years, put this sticker on it. I did a bit of cleaning up on it, but I didn't do anything else because back then I didn't really have the knowledge of how to do things to them. I need to check to make sure that I've removed the suppressor, which I don't think I have. So yeah, we are going to be taking a look at this lady. Now, I have cleaned it, so it is nice and clean, but I'm going to give it a polish as well. Stick the new front cover on it to make it look original again, because it really does need it. And I've also found this pack of Electrolux Gardenia, an air freshener sachet, specially formulated for use with your Electrolux vacuum cleaner. In here we have a paper bag that I have put in there. There is some sawdust in there, that's all that's in there, but we're going to modernize this with a SIBO bag. Now there is an air freshener in here, the ones that I used to use, the sachet ones, and after a while they just smell awful, so I don't use those sachets anymore by Glade. I use the disc ones, but I will be putting in these as well. So yeah, so it's all clean. The filter in it is clean as well. It just needs a little bit of TLC and some polishing the sticker. Going to open it up and take a look at the motor as well, and we're going to give that a little bit of lubrication and see what's going on underneath. So let's get you closer and crack on. Okay, so I got you perched above. First thing I'm going to do is get a bucket of warm water that I've got prepared here and give it a wipe over. It's a wee bit dusty. So the underneath looks pretty good. I do vaguely remember cleaning this. Bristles on the brush roll are good. Belt is still good, of course. Right. So the first thing I noticed with this, if I lay it down flat, is the hinge on this side is broken off. There's a slight split there, which quite honestly works in my favor because I'll put a screw through it. So let me just get a suitable screw. There we go, that's fixed it nicely. So now the hinge is working. Don't want to do it too tight, otherwise. Excellent. That was a nice easy fix. So before I start working on the body, I want to take this apart and let's take a look at the motor. So there we go, guys. That is my Electrolux 504 up and running. Sounding sweet, running sweet, looking sweet. Facelift finally put on after all this time. There we go, it is now original and just sounds amazing. And even the bag full whistle is working as well. See if you can hear it. So there we go. Let's put that back down. There we go, up a little bit. So the only thing left now to do with this is to give it a demonstration, a house demonstration. So got the height adjuster here on the side. This is Electrolux model Z504, serial number 945, 450 watts. Product number 9005901. So there we go. Just a little short video for you today, guys. All looking spick and span and extremely shiny. Inside we have a lovely modern bag in there. So that will help keep it nice and clean. Smells very nice. Works very nice. There we go. So, full house video of this coming up. And then we are going to work on another one of my Electroluxes. This one I believe was an exclusive, but I can't remember to where. And it is the 50 something twin turbo. So that's the one I'm going to be working on next. Motor sounds really gruff. This doesn't anymore. As you can hear, it sounds very, very nice. So I think it's time to give it a demo. So join me in the next episode and we'll put this to its paces and see how it does. Bye, y'all.